Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba mag-simplify ng radicals using the product rule na pinag-aaralan natin sa previous video. Gagamitin natin yung rule na nth root of AB is equal to nth root of A times nth root of B for non-negative A and B. Kung gusto nyo sagutan muna bago tayo mag-start ay pwede nyo i-pause yung video tapos continue nyo mamaya para ma-check nyo kung tama ba yung sagot nyo. Okay, so sana nag-pause kayo at sana nag-try kayong sumagot. Sa first number, we have square root of 12. So, pag square root ang operation, no? Ang gagawin natin is to find a perfect square na factor ng 12, pinakamalaking perfect square para ma-simplify natin siya. So, halimbawa ito, we have square root of 4 times square root of 3, di ba? Di ba yung product nito, AB, 3 and 4, ay 12, no? So, square root of 12 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 3, which is equal to, ang square root ng 4 ay 2, tapos yung square root of 3 ay just square root of 3. Hindi na natin siya masisimplify, no? For number 2, we have square root of 75. Pwede rin natin yan isulat as square root of 25 times square root of 3. And again, square root of 25 is 5. Tapos meron din tayong square root of 3. So 5 times square root of 3 or simply 5 square root of 3. Cube root of 16. Hahanapin naman natin ngayon ang perfect cube na factor ng 16. And madali lang yan kasi ang perfect cube ay 8, di ba? 2 cubed is 8. And 16 is 8 times 2. No? So, ibig sabihin, this is equal to cube root of 8 times cube root of 2, which is equal to, ang cube root ng 8 ay 2. And then we have cube root of 2. So, 2 cube root of 2. For number 4, we have cube root of 54. Ano ang perfect cube na factor ng 54? 27, di ba? Kasi 3 cubed is equal to 27. So, cube root of 54 is equal to cube root of 27 times cube root of 2. And cube root of 27 is equal to 3, and then we also have cube root of 2. For the last number, we have fourth root of 48. Ano ang number na perfect power of 4? So, madali lang naman yan kasi malaking ano yan, di ba? Malaking number pag nag-raise to 4 tayo. So, pag 1, 1 to the 4th, 1 to the 4th is 1, 2 to the 4th is 16. Pag nag-3 to the 4th ka, malaki na. That's 81 already. So, obviously it's 2 to the 4th, which is 16, di ba? Ang 48 ay 16 times 3, di ba? So, magiging 4th root of 16 times 4th root of 3. Which means that this is equal to, ang 4th root ng 16 ay 2, and then we have 4th root of 3. Okay, so I guess hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, no? Pag square root, hanap ka ng perfect square, tapos paghihiwalayin nyo because of this property. No? So dito, ang square root of 12 ay AB, yan yung product ng 4 and 3. Tapos yung square root of A ay yung 4, tapos yung square root of B, I mean yung A is 4 at yung B natin ay 3. So practice lang, no? Sa una lang yung mahirap, but as you practice ay makukuha nyo rin ang madali yan. That's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. Gusto ko kayong invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sip9ph. Maraming salamat. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-like yung video natin at i-share nyo sa mga kaibigan ninyo. I'll see you in the next video.